All you need is a yardstick, or you can even use a broom handle. Just take the broom end off. So coming down to the floor, you can prepare yourself. If your knees don't like hard surfaces, by all means, you can fold up a yoga mat in two. If your wrists don't appreciate the full extension and it's uncomfortable for you, or you haven't been weight bearing through your wrists in a long time, then you could place either a little piece of wood like this, or folding up a yoga mat, a smaller piece. I'll show you to do that as well. By doing that, you're reducing some of that extension at your wrist. So I encourage you to use the straight piece of whatever you've chosen, to place it behind your head. If you have someone to help you out, that's really nice. You want to ensure that the back of your head is as close to it, if not touching, that your sacrum is resting, and that you have a nice neutral lumbar spine, which means that you can fit your hand in the small of your back. All right, once all those things are in place, hands come back down. I encourage you to open up the web space of your thumbs. Bring your elbows in. They're staying soft, so you don't want to be locking out your elbows. You want to keep them soft. Now, for a lot of my clients and yoga students, they find just this position quite challenging at the beginning. So by being in this position, you'll notice how it activates your triceps. This is a good place to just start the breath. Breath in, you'll see the tummy go down towards the floor, and breath out as you blow, gently tightening pelvic floor, and you'll see the belly button come up and be drawn towards the spine. Let's do 3 more breaths. And blow. So you now want to visualize on the next breath that you're going to be lifting one limb. So as you're exhaling, you're visualizing that you're transferring the weight to the right hand, that the left hand is starting to come off. Good. And we're going to do that on the next one. So nice breath in. And then exhaling, you're just starting to lift the hand, just enough that you could fit a piece of paper underneath. You haven't moved anything else in your body. And then that left hand comes back down. Breath in. And we're going to repeat the exact same thing, this time with the right hand. So you're doing that internal transfer of weight onto your knees, onto the opposite hand. And if there was a video camera watching you, you don't want anybody to recognize that you've moved anything. This is your audition for Cirque du Soleil. Everything is nice and still. This time we're going to do one knee. So unlike the elbow that allows us to bend, and so the shoulders stay nice and stable, we don't have another joint in here. So we're going to be sliding that knee back ever so slightly. So it's a breath in and gently tightening as I transfer the weight. 2, 3, and then back in place. So the exercise starts and finishes when you're in contact. So you want to stay as still as you can. If you're moving a whole bunch in this exercise, you're not actually giving your deep stabilizers of your spine an opportunity to stabilize. That's the whole objective in the exercise, is to learn to stabilize your body. Let's do it one more time with the left leg lifting. So breath in, and then start to blow. And then back down. So with the horse stance vertical, the arm or the leg is really just seen to rise vertically. Whereas As you progress through the horse dance, before you get to the active level, you can certainly start to challenge yourself by moving closer and closer to horizontal. So there's lots of room for growth within the horse stance exercise. So be patient with your body. Know that what you're looking for is the stillness, not motion, not how high, not how many times, but how still you can keep your body while lifting one limb. So good luck with the horse dance, and know that it is a very challenging exercise, but a great one for you to do.